Woodtech Africa have organized this exhibition so that they can tell us more about this sector. And it has come at the right time when the government policy is going towards banning importation of wood products, particularly furniture. So if we can be given the technology that is necessary for that, we will be able to enforce that ban.
Good number of visitors came up, good turnout, focused visitors from wood industries. And I think if we are able to get focused visitors, exhibitors are happy and visitors are also happy because they got to see the technology, the products only on wood industries. So it's always better to do a focus event, and which we have been successfully doing with Woodtech Africa.